how to delete deleted photos permanently on Instagram. So if you have happened to delete a certain photo on Instagram, it is not still permanently deleted, because within the 30 days of deleting that photo, it will remain in your recycle bin inside Instagram, and only after 30 days it will be permanently deleted. So if you'd like to permanently delete it, tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side, go to your activity, then go to this option called recently deleted, where you'll find all the recently deleted. So if you delete it now, it will be here till 30 days. After that only, it will be permanently deleted. But if you want to delete it right away, simply select that picture, tap on the three dots and tap on the restore button if you want to restore it. But since you want to delete this as well, tap on the delete button, then tap on the delete post button to permanently delete this particular post. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then delete the deleted photos permanently. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.